अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम इस वीडियो में कंप्यूटर फील्ड से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एब्रिविएशंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। और जो तहसीलदार और नायब तहसीलदार के एग्ज़ाम्स होने वाले हैं उसमें जो पेपर 2 है उसमें 30 मार्क्स के 30 क्वेश्चंस इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आते हैं, कंप्यूटर आईटी से रिलेटेड। और अगर अभी तक आपको तहसीलदार और नायब तहसीलदार के पेपर के सिलेबस के बारे में मुकम्मल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, सो ऊपर आपको आई टैब नज़र आ रही होगी, इसको क्लिक करें तो आपको वो वीडियो मिलेगी जिसमें मैंने प्रॉपर फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है इस पेपर के सिलेबस से रिलेटेड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज़ वीडियो। ये कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेजेस हैं जो फुल एब्रिविएशन के साथ हैं। कोबोल stands for Common Business Oriented Language. Algol stands for Algorithm Language, इसको जैसे भी पढ़ सकते हैं। And Algol was developed in the early 1960s in Europe, and COBOL was first introduced in the year 1961. And Fortran stands for Formula Translation. Next is Fortran, was developed and introduced by IBM in the year 1957. Lisp was developed by John McCarthy. Loudspeaker was invented by Rice Kellogg. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Two types of RAM chips are dynamic and static. Data is fed into the computer by first converting it into binary codes. The speed of the dot matrix printer is measured by CPS, which stands for character per second. The speed of the line printer is measured by LPM, which stands for lines per second. DBMS stands for Database Management System. IBM is a famous computer company. IBM stands for International Business Machines. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. 1 kilobyte is approximately 1000 bytes. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. PC stands for Personal Computer. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. And the VDU and keyboard together form our terminals. ROM stands for read-only memory. The actual machine of the computer is commonly known as hardware. The programs run on the computer are commonly known as software. Output which is printed on paper is called the number of pixels on screen determine a screen resolution. A processor speed is measured in megahertz. A software that assists the computer in performing instructions is called as system software. CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. DPI stands for dots per inch. DTP stands for Desktop Publishing. EPROM stands for Erasable and Programmable Read-Only Memory. A variable whose value is accessible throughout the program is called global variable. A huge worldwide network of computers that communicate with each other, allowing global communication between users, is popularly known as Internet. KB stands for kilobyte. LAN stands for local area network. A printer which uses light to transfer the image to paper is the laser printer. Memory which retains all its contents even after the power is turned off is known as non-volatile memory. The result that is generated by the computer after processing the information provided to it is known as output. Electronic mail is more popularly known as email. Pilot stand for Programmed Inquiry Learning or Teaching. IQL stands for Interactive Query Language. Logo was developed by Dr. Seymour Papert. CAL stands for Computer Assisted Learning. APT stands for Automatically Programmed Tooling. C language was invented by Dennis M. Ritchie. Modula 2 was developed by Niklaus Wirth. Terminals that have their own memory are called smart terminals. The memory that needs electric power to sustain its contents is known as volatile memory. MOS stands for metallic oxide semiconductors. Dvorak keyboard was designed by August Dvorak, a simple device which functions as a simpler alternative to the keyboard is the mouse. Automatic drawing input device is called scanner. In the second generation computers, magnetic cores were used as main memory devices. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar works on the principle of eco-software. In hardware, modules are called firmware. A device by which any microcomputer can use ordinary television set for producing output is called RF modulator. The most successful computing device in the ancient time was abacus. Use of some mechanism for the operation of a machine is known as automation radar. Contact with the moon was first made in 1945. Radar contact with Venus was first made in 1961. AVC stands for automatic volume control. The device used to measure wavelength of radio waves is wave meter. A system in which information is displayed on a television screen is known as video text system. A modern means of communication in which the information is stored in a computer at a TV station is known as teletext. Global communication became possible by using satellite. Morse code was invented by Samuel Morse. The code used in a teleprinter is a Bordeaux code. Teleprinter exchange is popularly known as telex. A device which converts sound waves into electrical waves is called microphone. A hollow metallic tube used in place of wire in electric circuits carrying high frequency current is called waveguide. An instrument used to measure the intensity of radiations is the radiometer. An instrument used to measure electrical voltage is the voltmeter. VTVM stands for vacuum tube voltmeter. A circuit which maintains a constant voltage is called voltage stabilizer. SCR stands for silicon controlled rectifier. A device used to increase or decrease electric voltages called a transformer. A magnetic tape that records both audio and video signals is called a videotape. The first electronic calculator was manufactured in 1963 by Bell Punch Company, USA. MASER stands for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. A computer which can handle a large volume of numbers is called number cruncher. POST stands for power on self-test. POST is a test carried out just after the computer has been switched on. An index of the files stored on a disk is called directory. CP/M stands for control program for microcomputers. MVS is used in mainframe computers. The process of starting a computer is called booting. A group of binary digits is called a nibble. BPI stands for byte per inch. A smart card is a multifunctional microprocessor. LIPS stands for logical inferences per second. A computerized machine is normally called a robot. A robot is a machine directed by a computer. A robot which resembles a human being is called an android. PL/M stands for Program Language 1. The language PL/1 has combined features of COBOL and Fortran. MVS stands for Multiple Virtual Storage Operating System. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic. A magnetic storage disk made out of a thin piece of plastic is called floppy disk. A pictorial representation of the step-by-step sequence for solving a problem is known as a flowchart. A measure of storage capacity equal to 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. आई होप कि आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव होगी। इंशाल्लाह इससे रिलेटेड मज़ीद वीडियो। सो अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।